Hello grade 10 students, mabuhay. So again, this is Larry M. Del Rosario, and for today's video, I will be teaching you topic about the distance and the midpoint formulas. Okay. So distance formula used to find the distance between 2 points. Ito yung ginagamit natin to find the distance between 2 points. Okay. So the formula itself is distance equals the square root of the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus the quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay, wherein x sub 2 and y sub 2 are the coordinates of the 1 point, and x sub 1 and y sub 1 are the coordinates of the another point. Okay, so para mas maintindihan, let's have an example. Let's say for example, we are asked to find the distance between points A and B. Okay, points A has a coordinate of 4, 8, while point B has a coordinate of 1, 12. So use A is 4, 8, B is 1, 12. Using the distance formula, let us first identify. So alam naman natin na para magkaroon tayo ng isang point, dapat meron tayong isang x, meron tayong isang y. But the question is, sino yung gagamitin nating x sub 2, sino yung gagamitin nating x sub 1? Okay, kahit sino or kahit ano pwede. As long as, take note, as long as your x sub 1 will always be with your y sub 1 and your x sub 2 will always be with your y sub 2. Okay. Kung itong 4 na to, ginawa ko siyang x sub 1, definitely, yung 8 na kasama niya will be y sub 1 at yung natira ay x sub 2 and then y sub 2. So in this case, gagamitin natin si 1 as x sub 2, si 4 as x sub 1. Since si 1 ay x sub 2, definitely, yung kasama niyang 12 ay y sub 2. And 8 is y sub 1. Okay, so the first thing is to substitute the values kasi alam naman na natin yung mga values. And that is simply 1 minus 4, which is negative 3 squared, plus 12 minus 4, which is 4 squared. Negative 3 squared is simply 9. 4 squared is simply 16. When you add 9 by 16, you'll have square root of 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. So the distance between the points A and B is 5. Okay, now you try. Okay, feel free to pause the video for a while and solve for the distance between the following points. Okay, let's answer. So the first question, find the distance between the points 2, 7 and 11, 9. Okay, so all you have to do, so para sa akin, mas mabilis siya kung, let's say for example, this one. What is 11 minus 2? That is simply 9. What is 9 minus 7? And that is simply 2. 9 squared is 81. 2 squared is 4. 81 plus 4 is simply square root of 85. In this case, subtract lang natin ulit. 2 minus negative 5, and that will give us positive 7 squared. Negative 4 minus 8, and that is negative 12 squared. 7 squared is 49, plus negative 12 squared is simply positive 144 plus 49, which is equal to square root of 193. Okay, so next topic natin ay ang midpoint formula. Okay, midpoint is used to find the center of a line segment. The center of a line segment or yung pinakagitnang point ng isang line segment. Okay, the formula is simply x sub 2 plus x sub 1 divided by 2 and y sub 2 plus y sub 1 divided by 2, or simply we get the average of the x, we get the average of the y, and that is the midpoint. It is midpoint. That's why it is consists of an x and a y because it is a point. So gagawin natin dito, example. In this case, A and B kamukha lang ng given natin kanina. A is 4, 8, B is 1, 12. All we have to do is to add x, to add y divided by 2. Okay, x sub 2 is 1, x sub 1 is 4, y sub 2 is 12, y sub 1 is 8. Okay, that's simply 1 plus 4, which is 5 divided by 2. 12 plus 8, which is 20 divided by 2. That's simply 5 over 2, because 1 plus 4 equals 5 over 2. 12 plus 8 equals 20 over 2. Simplify it further. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, now you try. Find the midpoint between the points. 2, 7, 49. Next is negative 5, 8, 2, negative 4. Again, feel free to pause the video for a while and answer it. Then afterwards, I will going to provide you the complete solution for this problem. Okay, so for the solution, gawin lang natin. 14 plus 2 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. 9 plus 7 is 16, divided by 2 is also 8. Ito naman sa isa, 2 plus negative 5 is negative 3, divided by 2 is negative 3 over 2. Negative 4 plus 8 is positive 4, divided by 2 is 2. So the midpoint is negative 3, 2, and 2. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to like the video, and please do leave a comment if you still have question or meron kayong mga content na gusto nyong i-upload ko pa for the future. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. Good day and God bless.